Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to enable messenger chat hits on your phone. And now let's start right in. Now to enable the Facebook Messenger chat heads on your phone, if the chat head bubble is not showing up, first open your messenger app like this. And after you have opened your messenger app, on the top left corner of the screen you can see the three line icon available over there. Tap on that three line icon like this, and when this section appears you can see there is the gear icon or the settings icon available at the top right corner of the section just beside your username. Tap on that settings icon like this, and over here when you land on the settings of the messenger, scroll down a bit, and just below the photos and media option you can see there is the toggle icon turned on for the chat heads. If the toggle icon for the chat heads is turned off like this on your phone, you'll be required to tap on it in order to turn it on. And after the toggle icon for the chat heads has been turned on, the Facebook Messenger chat heads option will be enabled, or the chat head bubbles will start showing up on your phone. With that being said there guys, this is how you enable Facebook Messenger chat heads on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.